Hello, everyone. My name is Alina Tremblay, and I am personally inviting you to come and be at the Western Canada Graduate Gala happening on Sunday, November 12th from 12 until 6 p.m. And I want to share with you why this event exists. First of all, when I found out in June this year that the Landmark Center is closing in Vancouver, I was immediately present to every single staff member it took to cause that center. And I wanted them to be acknowledged and appreciated and loved and really known for all of their contribution, their stand, every single day, conversation after conversation, transformation after transformation, what it truly took to have this center, which is completely 100% reflective of the community we get to live and play inside of. Because there's way more graduates in Vancouver, on the island, in BC, in Alberta, in Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Northwest Territories, like you name it, out of a staff member standing every single day. And then I immediately got present to all the graduates, every single person who took on their transformation, took on themselves, transformed themselves, participated, took on courses, seminars, you name it, assisting, just so they can be that possibility that they invented for themselves. And so I called Royski and I said, Royski, what about an event like this? And he was 100% in right away. So together with a team of us, we created this event. And I want you to know this is 100% by the graduates for the graduates. We rented the Marriott Pinnacle room on Hastings, or the Pinnacle room at the Marriott Hotel on Hastings Street, downtown Vancouver. And it is ours. It is, for most of you know, that was our old stomping grounds for our final sessions, for forums and advanced courses. And, it was just amazing. Or maybe it was just the forums. Anyway, again, I just personally invite you to be there. But really, why we want to celebrate graduates is really to give everyone the opportunity to come and be together again. For 4 years, we have not had that opportunity. And the more I share and the more I talk to people, the more I keep hearing, gosh, I just miss being with graduates. I miss the listening. I miss being listened to that way in community. I miss sharing myself, like, my goodness, what it is to share yourself in the listening of a graduate. All the breakthroughs, all the breakdowns, everything. Personally, for me, during the pandemic, I've had 5 meltdowns at least, and true hardship, and why I'm here creating and, still have a roof over my head is out of what it is to be a graduate, living in distinction. Every time I was in a breakdown, I called a graduate, whether it was the family division, because we were there every Saturday causing, creating during the pandemic, or my husband, or my friend Susan, or my friend Sabrina, or Tammy Road, or Colette Millar, you name it, graduate was there. Like, I just could not have gotten through it without them. My business almost went bankrupt. I was making $7,000 a year, 3 years in a row. And we created a life. We have a daughter, which was never going to happen. Never going to happen. This, through it all, through the reduction of income, through the breakdowns of it all, we still have a roof over our head. We have an incredible daughter. We have incredible friends and family. And we kept standing for our vision, which, we've been creating, Kevin and I, to move up to the mountains. And we bought 100 acres and we've sold our condo and we're building our property. Like, irrelevant or irregardless or regardless, whatever word, regardless of the circumstances, we kept standing, we kept creating, we kept acknowledging, and we kept hunting those distinctions down, to have us be free, have us be who we truly are, which is everything and nothing. And that's all we want. We want people to come together to get present to who they truly are, who you truly are. You are everything and nothing, and all we want to do is celebrate that, be together, and do it in a big way. You know, we're causing to have leaders come, like senior graduates, senior leaders, to come and lead distinction with us. We've got food, we've got drinks, we have awesome entertainment, we have fabulous graduate talent like singers, musicians. We're going to do comedy skits. We're really going to poke fun at what it used to be like to do courses in person, you know, and really ultimately we're giving each other like more than 2 hours of space to just share, be together, reconnect, hug each other. Again, I invite you personally to be there. Get your tickets while they're still available. Come celebrate. And in the true spirit of the holidays, we are, you know, Royce, it was really near and dear to Royce's heart to donate to the Vancouver Food Bank at this time of year. And so $10 from every ticket sale goes directly to the food bank. We're also having a silent auction, and 100% of the proceeds from the silent auction are going to the food bank. And the rest of it is just to cover the cost of the Pinnacle Ballroom. So, again, I invite you. I invite you to be there, and if your partner or your mom or dad, you know, isn't a graduate, it doesn't matter. Bring them too. It really is the opportunity to be together, you know. And so far, 90% of the sales have been for graduates, right? So even for those people who come who are not graduates, they will be in the presence of graduate, guaranteed. And our daughter Araya is coming, so really there's no age limit. If you have a toddler or a 5 or 6 or a 10-year-old, you know, and they're not a graduate yet, it's totally okay. Please bring them along as well. I think that's it. I love you all. Thank you for who you are. Thank you for what you stand for. Thank you for what you're creating. Just thank you from the bottom of my heart. There's nothing like a graduate on this planet. And I so look forward to seeing you there.